Ricardo.
It's an invitation for you to write a little bit about where you're from, and if you submit it to the envelope that's in the back of this bookstore, then it'll be up online in the digital space. So if you want, there's cards in the front, there's cards in the back, there's pens, and a couple of sample poems as well that you can read to get maybe inspired.
All right, thank you, Ricardo.
So before I pull out the poem, I actually want to invite you all to invite an ancestor in to sit next to you.
Raymond.
You can say them if you got. It's good.
Mary.
If you got. Go ahead, a couple more.
Marcus.
Mary.
Willie Mae.
Misco.
Bayard.
Harry.
I hid my glasses on my hat. I'm Ricardo Elizalde, and this poem is titled "I Come From." I come from. At a professional development in Arizona, the Hawaiian facilitators asked the same question. Their assessment session in full swing begun with a circle. I was late, pushed into the circle, and boom, my turn. Where do you come from? What ancestors do you bring to this circle? What are your waters? I said, I bring into this circle my father, Alberto Alcibiades Elizalde. My waters? I'd never thought of this. Seems Hawaiian children, when they are doing tribal work, before they carve their canoes, always ask each other, where are your waters? Then my pop never had to answer this question, though when he arrived, he threatened to swim back. I think. San Francisco Bay, Pacific Ocean, all the way down south to where the salt from the bay mingles with the salt from the Rio Guayas, more than 1,000 miles south. I come from, or rather my waters are the bay, the Pacific, and Rio Guayas, a connection with my papi I never saw. I come from my brother Willie asking me to write more. He's supposed to be here tonight. I come from dinner with family, wait until everyone is served, until you start, quiet until it's time to speak. I come from that blue-collar San Francisco that every now and then I still catch a glimpse of. Catching that glimpse right now at Bird and Beckett Books. On December 5th, the evening the project closed, a friend of mine joined at Bird and Beckett Books to check out the poetry project. He quickly jotted his own poem down about where he was from.
Dale.
I come from the atomic ashes of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, a mixed blood phoenix, born when occupier met and mingled with the defeated. I am both, I am neither. My father returned to another Asian war, one that couldn't be won. He came back an empty shell. My mother thrived in this unknown place, paying the price with 3 fingers severed from her right hand. She never complained. Both were victors and vanquished. I come from them.
Bravo, mijo. You want to see it?